Built-in function. It is a type of a function which we call built-in function. What function is called a built-in function? If we have printf Python, this print function is the built-in function. It is the built-in function, which means that it has been already built inside the Python. It is a built-in function. We don't need extra code for the print function. It is built in. It has been built by a developer. So we can simply put the print function, it performs the task. This print function is called the built-in function. Similarly, if we have x equals to input of enter your name, this input is also the built-in function. It has been already built in the Python by a developer. So there is a specific code behind this function which has been built by the developer. So input and print are the built-in functions.